So after Black Friday, I got a new TV and everybody happy, got a good price. I got it home and guess what? My Dish Network remote is not turning the TV volume up and it's not turning the TV off. So I got this kind of remote. I don't know if the video gonna work for any remote, but for this particular one, it's gonna work. Make sure that you have the exact same remote, same one that I have. Okay, so basically what you do is you go to on your remote, right? You press the menu button right here. Your TV changed to this kind of display. Okay, you scroll to setting. After you scroll to setting, you scroll to remote manager. Okay, mistake, sorry. Go to remote manager. Okay, and what you can do, you click on TV code. It's a lookup code, and you scroll down to the brand of your TV. Depends what brand you have. If it's there, okay, it's probably gonna show. If no, you can enter it by code himself. But my brand is Sharp, and it's right. Oh, I just passed it. Sharp. You click on that. Where is it? Panasonic, Philips, RCA, Samsung, and then Sharp. Okay, then you click on set next. Okay, so please wait, and then you want to see if your volume work. Okay, if it's working, you click on yes to save, and you exit by canceling. Now let's see if the TV going on and off. So on the remote control, I have this little button here, say TV. Okay, and I'm gonna see if it's the TV just died. And I put it on, and the TV should turn on. Let's see. Yes, it's coming on. Excellent. Now check the volume by pressing these two. See, the volume is working. Excellent. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I will post more video about some topic on my website. Check it from time to time. I'm John DeBlon. Take care.